Hello there, friends. How are you there? I hope you're all doing fine. Let's do this, friends. The most enjoyable work, or the most enjoyable task of being a crane operator is this job, guys. Like this is, you see? Oh, I'm flying. See the rigger. I just enjoy flying the load. This is our job. This is the most I like in being a crane operator. Loading, unloading, transferring the materials from certain place to another place, just to give weight for other equipment so they can pass. So this is what we are doing, arranging the materials, structural materials. I really enjoy seeing steel materials flying on the air. We are arranging the materials because as of now we are not using that structure. We are also making a way for the other machines to come inside, so we are clearing it out. See the slings, guys. Hoisting up at a high speed. This is the life of crane operator. Again, from that area where we put the last one, there is one also that we are going to pick up and put in at the back of this crane. Segregation. So the rigger now is giving me a signal. Slowly hoist up. Oh, I think that is the last one in that area. Yes, it's the last one. You can see it. You see the hook. It's like flying. This is the last one. Going to quit all. By the way, guys, today is August 28, 2025. Right here at this gas, oil and petrochemical refinery plant that we are constructing right now. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you're all enjoying the ride today. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.